Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Buddy Heater Adapter is probably one of the most essential accessories for outdoor enthusiasts and anyone who relies on portable heating solutions. This little adapter can significantly enhance the functionality and safety of your heater, allowing for a more versatile and efficient heating experience. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or working in a cold environment, this adapter can make a world of difference. Number 5. GasSaf 5-foot propane hose and adapter. This adapter hose allows you to connect your smaller propane appliances to a larger 20 pounds tank. It's a convenient solution for extending the life of your propane supply. This makes it ideal for various outdoor activities. The hose features high-pressure construction with adapter fittings. It ensures a safe and reliable connection between your propane tank and your equipment. You can count on it for consistent performance. Made with high-quality solid brass, this adapter provides a secure and sealed connection. This construction ensures durability and prevents leaks. It's built to last and withstand regular use. This propane adapter hose is CSA certified and includes excess flow protection. It will automatically shut off the gas supply in case of a leak. This feature provides added safety and peace of mind. It's perfect for lanterns, camp stoves, portable grills, and more. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or having an outdoor cookout, this adapter is a must-have. It enhances your outdoor experience. What we like. This adapter hose provides a secure and sealed connection, ensuring safety. It also has excess flow protection, automatically shutting off if needed. If you're looking for a reliable and safe option for various portable grills and heaters, this is the one to consider. What people say. I was able to hook up my 20 pounds propane tank to my Mr. Buddy heater. Works great and is exactly what I needed. This hose is well made and works perfectly. Number 4. GasXpert 6-foot propane hose adapter. Tired of constantly replacing small propane tanks? This adapter is designed for better compatibility, allowing you to connect your 1-pound appliances to larger 20 pounds tanks. It's the perfect solution for your grill and other outdoor cooking needs. Never guess how much propane you have left. The colored gauge provides an instant reading, green for sufficient gas, yellow for low, and red for nearly empty. It helps you monitor the remaining capacity of propane. Built to last, this hose features a flame-retardant PVC coating reinforced with stainless steel braiding. This construction enhances resistance to wear, weather, and fire, ensuring its longevity. Enjoy a smooth and consistent gas flow for perfect grilling. The 6-foot hose provides a convenient length, allowing you to connect your appliances to propane tanks at a comfortable distance. This adapter is a money saver, allowing you to use larger propane tanks with your existing appliances. Installation is quick and easy, making it a convenient upgrade for your grilling setup. What we like. This adapter features a built-in gas gauge, making it easy to monitor fuel levels. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand wear and tear. If you want a hose that offers convenience and longevity, this is a great choice. What people say. The hose is well made and fits perfectly. It works great with the Buddy heater. Number 3. Mr. Heater Buddy Series Hose Assembly, 10 feet. This 10-foot hose is designed for convenience. It eliminates the need for a fuel filter, making it easier to use. This hose is specifically made for use with the Mr. Heater MH9B Portable Buddy and MH18B Big Buddy heaters. It ensures a secure and reliable connection. The hose is designed not to leach oil into the fuel stream. Both ends tighten securely, providing a safe and efficient operation. It features a POL connection that attaches directly to a propane tank. This makes setup simple and straightforward. The hose measures approximately 3 by 9 to 7/8 by 11 inches. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This hose is 10 feet long, giving you flexibility in setup. It eliminates the need for a fuel filter. If you need a longer hose for your Mr. Heater Buddy Series heater, this will be perfect for you. What people say. I was able to connect my 1-pound propane bottles to my heater. Works as advertised. This hose is exactly what I needed to connect my 1-pound propane bottles to my Mr. Buddy heater. Number 2. Mr. Heater Big Buddy Hose with Regulator. This is a propane hose assembly designed specifically for the Mr. Heater Big Buddy indoor-outdoor heater. It ensures a safe and reliable connection for your heating needs. This hose is built to last and provide consistent performance. Featuring solid brass fittings, this hose offers durability and a secure connection. These fittings are designed to withstand the rigors of regular use. They ensure a tight seal, preventing leaks and maximizing safety. The POL connection allows you to connect directly to a 20-pound propane tank. This feature makes it easy to set up and use. It provides a stable and secure link to your propane source. The regulator reduces the high pressure from larger propane tanks. It ensures that the heater receives the correct pressure for optimal performance. This feature helps to maintain consistent heat output. It includes a handle for easy tightening and a female connector that fits standard fittings. This design makes it simple to connect and disconnect. The 12-foot length offers flexibility in placement, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. What we like. This hose is 12 feet long and includes a regulator for safety. It features solid brass fittings for durability. If you have a Big Buddy heater and need a complete, reliable setup, this is the one to choose. What people say. The hose is well made. It works perfectly. This adapter hose is exactly what I needed to connect my propane tank to my Mr. Buddy heater. Number 1. KOMAN 12-foot propane adapter hose. Tired of constantly buying small propane tanks? This adapter hose allows you to connect your 1-pound appliances to a larger 20-pound tank. It's a convenient and cost-effective solution for all your grilling and camping needs. This hose helps you save money by eliminating the need for those expensive 1-pound propane cylinders. It also saves you time and energy by allowing you to use a larger tank. This is a great way to enjoy your outdoor activities. The adapter hose is built with a solid brass fitting and a high-pressure hose for consistent and smooth gas flow. The high-quality rubber ensures safe, leak-free operation. This ensures long-term usage. This propane hose is compatible with a wide range of appliances, including Mr. Heater series, Weber Q grills, Coleman grills, camp stoves, and more. The installation is simple and easy. It's a versatile solution for all your propane needs. The hose is CSA certified for safety and comes with a 1-year guarantee. If you have any questions, the KOMAN support team is available to assist you. You can use it with confidence. What we like. This adapter helps you save money by connecting to larger propane tanks. It ensures consistent gas flow for your appliances. If you want to save money and have a wide range of compatible appliances, this is the one for you. What people say. I was able to hook up my 20 pounds propane tank to my Mr. Buddy heater. Works great, no leaks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.